John knocked over a fly trap.
I had a little bit of an accident. It's a couple of weeks before Thanksgiving, and we are headed to Uncle Josh's house for Thanksgiving this year with our family. And if you recall from the tri-tip chili video, Josh's smoker is absolutely disgusting.
Terrible.
The place that we're staying only has a gas grill, so I think that this may be an option, but I'm not 100% sure. I've done a lot of hot, fast grilling on it, but we're gonna see today if it's an option for smoking a whole turkey.
See if it's gonna work for that turk.
See if it's gonna work for that turk. The turkey is ready today for us to go ahead and put it on the grill, but 2 days ago, Jared came over and we brined it. So we'll show you that process now. We're about to brine a turkey. This brine is the original recipe, came from Alton Brown. All it is a pound of salt, pound of honey, 4 quarts of vegetable stock, 1 gallon of boiling water to get everything dissolved, and then we just fill it up with ice. And I'm gonna put it in this cooler here and put that in the garage with the lid on. So this is gonna go in right here. And then we're gonna do the same with honey, but I'm not gonna be super exact because this is 2 pounds of honey, so I'm just gonna do half of it.
One more load.
Okay. All right. Got about a gallon-ish of water. Ain't gotta be exact. Let's get that in there. Splish splash.
There's a lot of work for a turkey. I'm just gonna tell you that right now.
All right, so then we got this all dissolved. We got 4 quarts of vegetable broth.
Okay.
Like that, right here. Yeah. All these people that are like, oh, buy my $12 shaker of turkey brine. You ain't gotta do that. Just make your own. You ain't gotta buy no $12 shaker of turkey brine. Buy $12 worth of vegetable stock.
Yeah, look at those fools.
Yeah. So stupid! So this is all the liquid that we need in here, but we're gonna put in a bunch of ice because we're gonna put the turkey in there, keep it in the cooler in the garage overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take it out. This ain't gonna be on film because Jared can't commit to 3 days a week.
I got a job.
I'm gonna take it out, put it on a sheet pan in the fridge so that the skin dries out. Probably like another gallon of ice or so. All right, turkey goes in. Skidoo. Turkey's been brined. To add a little bit more flavor, we're gonna make a compound butter.
Was that sage?
We got some sage, we got some rosemary.
Man, I have rosemary in my garden. I forgot to bring it.
You still got it?
Yeah.
It's still there?
No, not after tonight. It's gonna be froze.
Rosemary, sage time, and we're gonna chop it up.
I think you're adding the sound effect. Complex compound butter.
Got some Killer Hogs AP.
Uh-oh, shout out.
Malcolm Reed. Probably enough. Add some more. Green butter.
Man, give me a baked potato. Oh, you just do it by hand, huh? Just get in there all nasty.
Yep.
You are so nasty. You got the butter.
It's got the juice.
It's got the juice.
Couldn't imagine a more beautiful thing. We so relevant. Okay. Oh. All right. Straight up cooking spray.
Oh.
Again, a little bit.
What you gonna hit it with?
Some of that AP. That Malcolm Reed junk.
When you gonna put us on the show, Malcolm? When you gonna put us on the show?
Now it's ready to go on the grill. Cool. Smoker. See
some smoke.
Move this stuff over. Little water pan here.
Pours over, puts out fire.
We're gonna add some hickory to this.
That's my favorite smoking.
Is it?
It is.
Start out sideways with it, and then we'll rotate it. Is that good?
Yeah, you're good.
That's it. So I got this vent open, this vent closed, this vent open, and this vent closed here. So the air's coming up through the fire over this way.
Cool. Just gonna hit that turkey where it counts.
Right in the gullet. Yeah, we're still sitting at like 225.
All right, gotta be close.
Yeah, we are getting close.
You
But
gotta
I'm gonna
be
rotate
close.
it one more time probably.
Bruh.
Get you that little piece right there.
Turkey pole?
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
So we're getting closer here in the breast. I think one thing that I'm learning about this setup is you're gonna have to continuously rotate it.
Okay.
I want to get the thighs and legs a little bit hotter, so I'm gonna move them closer to the heat right here.
Okay.
Smells good. All right, look at that.
Oh, smoky.
Okay, yep. It's I like it at like 160, but I think if we pull it, it's gonna raise a little bit more.
Cool.
Spilling too many juices, because some juices are delicious.
Bro.
Really good.
Good old waves.
You ready?
Yup.
Do this. Bring it in here and just kind of let it rest uncovered. Probably about 20 minutes, and it'll be time to eat. Look at that, John.
Get down there with that. Get down there with that turkey. Turkey time.
Turkey time. So I'm gonna start by taking off this breast right here. Ooh.
I just got a big smack of smoke.
Yeah.
Dude, that smells amazing.
Oh my gosh, it smells so
Let's
good.
see.
Look at that.
Bruh. Oh man.
Let's see. It's still super juicy. It's really, really good. I think it's gonna work. All right, turkey is delicious. We brined it 2 days ago. I think honey, vegetable stock, salt. Took it out, let it rest in the fridge. We put in the compound butter underneath. Then we smoked it on the PK.
Ow, I can't stop snacking.
Yeah,
Smoked turkey on the PK.
this hand's dry.
Nailed it. All right. Ow.